Students, previous video you have learned exercise 3.1 1 to 6th problem. Now 7th problem, what should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5. For in this question, what polynomial should be added to this given polynomial, we are going to get this answer. Okay, we have to find that required polynomial. Listen students, for this solution the required polynomial be p of x. Okay, we have to consider the polynomial be p of x. Then what is given in this question? P of x, that unknown polynomial plus given polynomial, that first polynomial, yes, 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, so that is, we have to find this p of x, that is equal to p of x. We want to find, you have to transpose this polynomial you have to transpose to right hand side. Yes, so this polynomial transpose to right hand side, it's become negative. Yes, minus of this polynomial 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. Okay students, yes. Now 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15, this minus you have to take inside. Okay, that is minus 2x cube minus 6x square, minus into minus plus 5x, minus into plus minus. Okay, now we have to simplify this expression. Yes, so first you have to collect the like terms. For 3x cube, x cube terms you have to collect first, that is 3x cube minus 2x cube, that is these two have different sign, you have to subtract. 3 minus 2, that is 1, that is 1x cube, that 1x cube is written as x cube. Next, x square term, minus 2x square minus 6x, so these two have same sign, so we have to add. Minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, 6 plus 2 8, you have to use the same sign, that is minus 8x square. Next, x term, 6x plus 5x, 6 plus 5 11, 11x, then 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So the required polynomial is equal to x cube minus 8x square plus 11x plus 7. 8th question, what must be subtracted from 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7 to get 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Previous problem, we found what polynomials added to this polynomial we get for this polynomial. Now, what must be subtracted, that is what polynomial must be subtracted from this polynomial. Okay, that is 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7 minus that required polynomial is equal to this 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so first you have to consider this unknown polynomial as p of x. Then we have to proceed. Listen students, let the required polynomial be p of x. So what is given in the question? What polynomial subtracted from this polynomial. Okay, so first you write this polynomial 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7 minus p of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. It is taken from the given statement. Okay, it is taken from the given statement, so you have to mention given. Now you have to simplify this p of x. So that is, we need to find p of x, you have to transpose, you have to make transpose, that is this minus p of x transpose to right hand side, this polynomial you have to transpose to left hand side. Okay, so that is 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. For this polynomial, this whole polynomial transpose to left hand side, so it's become minus of 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to minus p of x become p of x. Okay, that is 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now you have to take this minus inside, that is minus 3x cube, minus into minus plus, that is x square, minus into plus minus, that is minus 2x, minus into plus minus, that is minus 1, that is equal to p of x. Now we have to simplify the like terms. 2x power 4, we have only one term with this power x power 4. Okay, so just you take and write 2x power 4. Next you have to find x cube terms. X cube term also we have only one, so that is minus 3x cube. Just you have to take and write. Then x square term, 4x square plus x square. These two have same sign. So 4 plus 1, 5. That is 5x square. Okay. Next x terms, minus 3x minus 2x. These two have same sign. So we have to add minus 3 minus 2. So that is minus 5x. Now constant plus 7 minus 1, it's become 6. That is equal to p of x. Therefore required polynomial is equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus 6. Listen students, now 9th question. Multiply the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Okay, so that is two polynomials are given, that is p of x is equal to x square minus 9 and q of x is equal to 6x square plus 7x minus 2. You have to make multiple these two polynomial, then that resultant polynomial find the degree. Second problem, f of x is equal to 7x plus 2, g of x is equal to 15x minus 9. Third problem, h of x is equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 1. F of x is equal to 5x minus 7. Okay, listen students. First you have to write the given polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus 9. Q of x is equal to 6x square plus 7x minus 2. You have to find their product, that is p of x into q of x. That is equal to x square minus 9 into 6x square minus 7x plus 2. First you have to make multiple x square with this polynomial. Okay, x square into 6x power 4. So their product time you have to, first you have to apply these rules. Make multiple with sign. Okay, first make multiple sign, then coefficient. Okay, then you have to make multiple the variable. Okay, first you have to make multiple sign, then coefficients, then variables. Okay students, so that is for this is positive, this also positive. So you have to use plus, then coefficient here. Coefficient here 1, here 6. 1 into 6, 6. Then you have to multiple the variable x square into x square, that is x power 4. Next x square multiple with 7x. So it's become plus 1 into 7, 7. X square into x, x cube. Then x square, for it is plus, it is minus. So it's become minus. Then coefficient is 1 into 2, 2. Then x square. Okay. Next you have to make multiple with this minus 9. Minus 9 into 6x square, that is minus 54x square. Minus 9 into 7x, so that is 9 7s are 63. Minus into plus minus, so that is 63x. Then minus into minus plus, 9 2s are 18. Okay, now you have to simplify this terms, like terms. X power 4 term we have only one, so just take and write. Then x cube terms only one, take and write, plus 7x cube. Now you have to simplify this x square term, minus 2x square minus 54x square. So these two have same sign, so you have to add minus 2 minus 54, that is minus 56x square. Next x term we have only one, so that is minus 63x, constant 18. Okay, so we want to find degree of the resultant polynomial. Degree means highest power of this expression. What is the highest power? 4. So degree of the resultant polynomial is equal to 4. Second problem, f of x is equal to 7x plus 2, g of x is equal to 15x minus 9. We have to find f of x into g of x. That is equal to f of x 7x plus 2 into 15x minus 9. So 7x multiple with this polynomial, that is these two have same sign. 7 into 15, 105, x into x, x squared. Then 7, 9, first multiple the symbol, plus into minus, minus, then number, that is a coefficient. 9 7s are 63. Then x term we have only one. So 7x into minus 9, that is minus 63x. Next multiple with 2. 15 into 2, 30. 30x. Plus 2 into minus 9, minus 18. Now you have to simplify this. It is, we have only one x square term. So take and write 105 x square. These two x term, we have two terms. These two have different sign. You have to subtract these two. Greater number minus smallest number, that is 63 minus 30, that is 33. Greater number sign is minus, so minus 33x. Constant we have only one, so that is minus 18. We have to find the resultant polynomial. So degree of the resultant polynomial, the highest power of this expression is 2. So degree is equal to 2. The third problem you have to find out yourself. 10th problem, the cost of a chocolate is rupees x plus y and Amir bought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, find the amount paid by him. Okay, cost of chocolate. Cost of one chocolate is rupees x plus y. Number of chocolates bought, that is x plus y chocolates. We want to find total amount, that is, you have to make multiple these two. After finding that, we get the answers in terms of x and y. In the answer, we have to substitute x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. For this question, what are the things given? First take and write. Cost of a chocolate is equal to rupees x plus y. Number of chocolates is equal to x plus y. Total amount paid. So that is, these two you have to make multiple. X plus y into x plus y. That is written as x plus y whole square. It is in the form a plus b whole square. Do you remember, students? A plus b whole square formula, do you remember? Yes. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So instead of a and b, we have x and y. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. For in this question, after finding this product value, we have to substitute x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Then the amount paid, so you have to substitute here 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 5. X value is 10, so it is 10 square. It is 2 into 10. X value is 10, y value is 5 plus 5 square. Okay, so that is 10 square value 100. 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 5, 100. 5 square value 25. Okay, you have to add. It is rupees 225. Listen, students, 11th question. The length of a rectangle is 3x plus 2 units and its breadth is 3x minus 2 units. Find its area in terms of x. What will be the area if x is equal to 20 units? Okay, length of a rectangle 3x plus 2, that is L. L is equal to 3x plus 2. Breadth, that is B. B is equal to 3x minus 2 units. We have to find the area. Area for rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth, that is L into B. You have to substitute the values L into B. After finding that value, you have to substitute x is equal to 20. Okay, listen, students. What is given in the question? Length of the rectangle, that is L is equal to 3x plus 2 units. Breadth B is equal to 3x minus 2 units. We know the formula area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. What is the length here? 3x plus 2. What is the breadth? 3x minus 2. So 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. It is in the form. For once again we have to recall this formula. A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Okay. For in a place we have 3x. B place we have 2. So that is a square. What do you write? 3x whole square. How you read this? 3x whole square minus 2 square. This square is common for 3 and x square. So 3 square value 9. It is x square. 2 square value 4. Okay. For in this question we have to, for this answer, in this product answer we have to substitute x is equal to 20. Then area is equal to 9 into 20 square minus 4. That is equal to 9 into 20 square value, you know, that is 400 minus 4. So 9 4s are 36, 2 zeros right at the last digits. So that is 3600 minus 4. So that is 3596 square units. 12th question. P of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and Q of x is a polynomial of degree 2. What kind of the polynomial P of x into Q of x? Okay, the P of x of the degree, we have two polynomials P of x and Q of x. For their degree 1, Q of x degree is 2. We want to find P of x into Q of x, the degree of P of x into Q of x. Listen students, given degree of the polynomial P of x is equal to 1. Degree of the polynomial Q of x is equal to 2. So degree of the polynomial P of x into Q of x, you have to add the power 1 plus the degree, you have to add 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so hence P of x into Q of x is a cubic polynomial. For example, how you have to check 1 plus 2, 3 degree, their degree, how you have to check? P of x is equal to their degree 1. So you have to take any polynomial 2x, their degree 1. Q of x is equal to x square plus 1. Their degree is 2. Now you have to find P of x into Q of x. Okay, that is 2x into x square plus 1. You have to make multiple these two. 2x cube plus 2x. So now you have to check their degree. Degree is equal to 3. Highest power is 3. Okay, this is the example. Have you understood, students? Yes. So when you are making multiple these two polynomial, you have to add their degree. So P of x into Q of x is a cubic polynomial. Why you say it is a cubic polynomial? Their degree highest power is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial.